Halii Kai at Waikoloa is a unique property that is very narrow and spans close to half a mile in distance from the entrance to the ocean front. Here in the foreground is the Halii Kai Ocean Club. This club offers a multi-layer resort-style pool with lounge chairs around the pool. To the left is the open-air fitness Halii with panoramic ocean views. The larger building is the restaurant and bar. The small area to the right offers lounge chairs. To the left of the Halii Kai Ocean Club are the three true oceanfront buildings, buildings 13, 14, and 15. These all offer spectacular ocean views, and in the winter months you can watch the waves crash in not too far from your lanai. To the right is Building 12. This building offers an ocean and coastline view out over the signature hole of the Waikoloa Beach course. Prior to Halii Kai being built, Waikoloa Beach Resort would take their photos for publicity right from the location of Building 12. Across from Building 12 are Buildings 16 and 17. Many of these condos offer nice corridor ocean views. As we continue, we have Buildings 11, 10, 9 on the right. All these buildings offer nice ocean views. We at Waikoloa Vacation Rentals only manage properties up to this point so that when renting from us, you are assured you get a nice ocean view as well as close proximity to the Halii Kai Ocean Club. As we continue along, we have Buildings 8 on the right and decreasing down to Building 1, which is by the entrance gate of Halii Kai. While some of these condos do offer ocean views, we're beginning to get further from the ocean. On the left here, we have a small putting green, a tennis court, and a basketball court. Just past that on the left are Buildings 18 through 24, which is also known as Coconut Grove. These buildings face towards each other and have a nice area between with tropical landscaping.